When they had finished eating, Jesus said to Simon Peter,
Simon, son of John, do you love me more than these?
Yes, Lord. You know that I love you.
Jesus said,
Feed my lambs.
Again, Jesus said,
Simon, son of John, do you love me?
Yes, Lord. You know that I love you.
Jesus said,
Take care of my sheep.
The third time he said to him,
Simon, son of John, do you love me?
Peter was hurt because Jesus asked him the third time, Do you love me? He said,
Lord, you know all things. You know that I love you.
Jesus said,
Feed my sheep. Very truly I tell you, when you were younger, you dressed yourself and went where you wanted. But when you are old, you will stretch out your hands and someone else will dress you and lead you where you do not want to go.
Jesus said this to indicate the kind of death by which Peter would glorify God. Then he said to him,
Follow me.